Hello guys, let's install this umbrella. Very easy to open here, and if it's soil ground, we will make this one too deep. You see, to insert the soil inside about 15 to 20 centimeters to make it strong hold. And if it's a flat ground that cannot dig, we just simply put this on here and make it tight. And of course, we can simply use your bag and some like a stone, heavy things to put here to make it more steady. Second, we install this small table. Also the same, push this button. And then it will lock here, okay? To adjust the height at a suitable position. Like for me, maybe later I do like this, but here, good. You can see the frame here is very, very strong. Even I can just do it like this here. It's very easy to share 2 bottles with your friend, talking, or reading a book. Nice. Put it here. Let's open the umbrella. Let's first adjust this part. Then open. And then adjust the direction first with this one. We just simply make it straight, or even to this direction. And if some lights are come from this direction, we can also use this universal wheel to make it this direction, okay? So pretty easy, huh? That is.